Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to create custom labels using white sticker labels from Silhouette. All you're going to need is your Silhouette Cameo, the sticker paper, this we're using in white, and your Silhouette Studio on your computer. Open up your Silhouette Studio and head to the Silhouette Design store. In the store, we are going to purchase labels that you're going to use for your project. You can use a search icon to look for labels or whatever design you want. Once you find one that you're happy with, click Purchase, and it will be sent directly to your library in your Silhouette Studio. After you purchase your labels, go to Library in Silhouette Studio. You're going to find the item that you just purchased. Click on it, and then adjust the size within Silhouette Studio so that it'll fit on the paper. Make sure to highlight everything so that you can move everything together as one instead of just each individual piece. Then go to the color icon and fill the text with the color you want. You can pick any color or use a little color picker to figure out what color you're going to use. Once you're happy with the color, click Send to Printer. You're going to open or save as a PDF. Then you're going to print directly onto the paper. So you just printed out onto your white sticker labels. Now it's time to cut. So head to your Silhouette and put it on your cut mat. Then you're going to send that to your Silhouette from your computer and watch the magic happen. Once everything's cut, peel off your label and stick it to any smooth surface like a canister or a bin, and boom, you have custom labels like that. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.